Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to block and unblock someone on KakaoTalk app. So guys, let's continue into your KakaoTalk app. So guys, here you can see I have a friend here, and now I will show you how can I block and unblock him. So at first I am just pressing his profile. Now just tap on the block option and then tap on block message and again tap on block. And guys, he is now blocked and I'm going to just unblock him. So just tap on the settings icon and then tap on general settings, tap on friends. Now tap on blocked friends. And guys, as you can see, the person I blocked is here. So if I want to unblock him, just tap on the manage option and then select unblock and then just tap on OK. And that user has been unblocked now. And guys, if you want to add your friends again, then just tap on add friend. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can block or unblock someone on KakaoTalk app very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.